Hi everyone, my name is Leo. I'm a dental application engineer at Stratasys, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to load, nest, and send to print TrueDent dental appliances using GrabCAD Print. All the instructions I'm going to talk about in this video are also available in the IFU, Instruction for Use document, available here in the Stratasys Support Center website. Other information, protocols, guides are also available in this page, the Dental TrueDent Materials page, which has the polishing protocol, the repair and relining protocol, and much more. Let's hide it for now and start with the demonstration. So, first we're going to load denture designs. GrabCAD Print support 3MF, STL, and OBJ files or assemblies. Let's start with 3MF single file assemblies, which can be produced using 3Shape 2023 version and up. To load it, we're going to select Add Models, locate the file, and load it. When you load 3MF files, all the shades you selected in the design stage are going to be assigned automatically to the model loaded in the print tray. When you want to load an assembly file, you're going to go to File, Add as Assembly. First select the file type. We're going to try the STL files. Load them all into the tray. That's it. Next step is going to be analyzing and repairing any faulty models. We're going to Analysis mode, select Repair All Models, and once it's done, we'll go back to the print tray. And now let's start assigning the shades. These are the available teeth and base shades. If you want to use the older TrueDent shades, you're going to need to go to Tray Settings, under Advanced, uncheck the Enable TrueDent shades. It can only be done when no models are loaded on the tray. Okay, so let's start with assigning teeth shades. I'm going to select all the teeth files. These are these ones. We'll go with Bleach 1. And let's take the two posterior teeth and select Bleach 2. That's it, we assigned the teeth shades. And now for the base shades, we have 4 different base shade options, and for each one of them there are 4 different translucency level, 3 being the highest. You can also print fully clear models using TrueDent Clear. I'm gonna go with pink 3 and apply. Wait a few seconds and the base shade is applied. One more feature now available in GrabCAD Print is color labels. We can select the model file, right click it and add label to body. We'll select the desired position of the label. Let's place it over here. Now add the information you want to include in the label. I want to make sure no one touches my denture, so I'm gonna mark it. Now you can choose between these colors for the labels. I'm gonna go with magenta, make it a little bigger. That's it, and save. Now you're gonna update the file, and the label is gonna be incorporated into the model. No additional manual work is needed. The next step is gonna be nesting and organizing the entire tray. And for that, I've created a few examples. Let's review them. Once all your models are loaded on the tray, you can either arrange it manually by selecting a part, changing its position or orientation, or use any of the automatic arrangement modes. On the right, select Arrange and select between one of the 4 arrangement modes. Default mode uses a standard part orientation and position. We recommend using it to fit 5 to 6 models for a quick print. Full tray mode uses the entire print tray area, packed tighter than default mode. Here we nested 33 models and the print time is just under 14 hours. This mode is best used for overnight prints. The 2 other modes use parts of the tray to save time on larger day prints. Shortest tray print time mode uses the 2 inner rings to achieve the quickest print time. Optimize time per part mode uses the 2 outer rings for highest throughput. We recommend experimenting with the different modes and finding out what works best for your lab's workflow. You can back up your work or save a project by going to File, Save Project, and Open Project. If you want to estimate the print time or the material consumption for this tray, go to Estimate, and here you can see the material consumption, support consumption, and total print time. To send the print to the printer, click Print and Send, and follow the instructions on the printer screen.